Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave TestForecast.com YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday, June 21st. The time is around 3 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of SPY 60 minutes time frame. We can see right here the rally is impulsive, and we should be close to finishing with 3 in the minute degree here in the black color here, and we should then get a pullback in 3 ways before higher again. So the key level here is the wiff to low here at 409.94. Now, of course, I think this last move higher here is a little bit risky in the sense that we could make a little bit of adjustment in the count, for example, to call 3 completed. But the idea here is that as long as we stay above 409, we can always extend higher again. And of course, an alternate will be doing something like this, for example, what we call a double correction. Now, if we drop again, this is going to be too big to be with 4 in the blue. So that means the adjustment has to be that we end it with 3 in the black here. Now, even assuming we drop again, it still doesn't change the idea that we remain bullish against 409.94. It's just that if we drop again, then that means the next 100% extension of this 1, 2, 3 should be able to find buyers right here. This is going to be in the support zone here between 100% and 161.8% extension. Okay, so the idea here, simply said, is that any pullback is going to be supported in the sequence of 3 swing or 7 swing, because that's a corrective structure is 3 swing or 7 swing, as long as we stay above 409.94. Now if I zoom out a little bit to get 4-hour time frame, so this is I'm putting in 1 and 2 in the black here. This is the 1 and 2 in black. So this is where we are right now. We are looking for one more push to finish 5 and 3, and then pull back and then higher again. Now the alternate I can think of is that we finish 3 already here, and we might be getting a bigger pullback. But again, even if that will happen, it doesn't change the idea that as long as we stay above here, we are looking for more upside to finish a 5 ways up. So we are starting the move up from here, from May 5th, right? And if we use extension from the May 5th, now you notice here we are more than 1.618, so typically that should be a wave 3 here. And so with 3, I wouldn't be surprised, let's say if wave 3 already completed, and then we start doing wave 4. I think that's also a possibility there, even though for now we're still calling for extension higher before finishing up with the wave 3. Now, if assuming wave 3 already ended, let's say, then typically the pullback is between 23.6 38.2% retracement. We hit the 23.6% retracement already, so technically the pullback is not too shallow here, and we can again extend higher still, as long as we stay above this wave too low here, 409.94. okay, so the idea here is bullish, and any pullback still gonna be favored for finding support, okay, in the sequence of 3 swing or 7 swing for at least one more leg higher. Alright, so that's the update for today, and as always, if you want to get more updates on the ETF, indices, stocks, Forex, commodities, we have for the index trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.